Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Everton Braga from Cura Web Channel and welcome to our class. In this class, we're gonna learn how to install and set up our project. And in order to do that, we have to install some softwares. And the first one is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a text editor, okay? I use and like it, but there are another options if you want, like Sublime Text, Atom, and much more. But I use and recommend it. And the installation is very simple. You just download the installer here and open it and click next, and that's it. Uh, For me, it appears download for Mac because I use Mac, but it's available for Linux and Windows too. Okay, very simple. The next one is Node.js. Node.js is a technology used for backend too, but for us, we're gonna use it for front end development. It allows us to install the dependencies of our project, and the installation is very simple too, very similar to Visual Studio Code. I recommend to download and install the LTS version. It's a stable version, and here again, you just download it, open the installer, and click next. I already have installed on my computer, so I don't do it again, but it's very simple. And the next one is a package from Facebook called Create React App. We're gonna use Create React App in order to build our React project, the structure of our project. Okay, it's very simple to install and use too. Here, we just open our terminal after we have Node installed on our computer, and the command you have to put here is npm install npm install g, which means globally create react app. Doing that, you're gonna have create react app installed globally on your machine, and I already have two, so I don't execute this command. But if you don't have, just do this. And after that, it's not a must, but I like a lot to install Yarn. Yarn is a package manager like Node, but I like it because it's more fast and more integrated with React. Once Yarn is created and maintained by Facebook too, and it's very simple. You just enter the site and clicking on getting started installation, and here you execute this command in order to install Yarn in a global way, and that's it. Once you finish these steps, you just write here create. You have to first of all you have to navigate in the folder you like to install your project. Okay, I install in documents and code, and for navigation, cd 2 points, you come back and cd the name of the folder like code, you enter the folder, very simple. And here you write the command create react app and the name of your project. I already installed my project. I named it Star Wars project, okay, so I don't execute the command again. But in order to create your project, just do this. And after that, I enter the folder of my project here, Star Wars project, okay. And next you open Visual Studio Code and clicking in File, Open, you navigate at that folder and open, okay. I opened my project here, and once you build your project using Create React App, you're gonna have this folder structure, okay. And in order to start our project, you just have to execute this command, npm run start, at the root folder, okay. But if you installed yarn, you just type yarn start, and it's the same, there's no difference. Typing yarn start and clicking enter, we wait a little, okay. And our project will be built on Google Chrome. That's my default browser, okay. Just wait a little, and that's it. That's the default project built by Create React App, and using this structure, we gonna build our Star Wars project. Using this structure, we're gonna delete some things and create another ones, okay, man. Okay, guys, thank you so much. If you like, just let the like on the video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, and thank you.